So what are your thoughts, given that background, on the trend of manufacturers owning distributorships, including your own company, Alliance?
Sure. I think in our case, direct access to us as a global leader, a range of services that we feel that nobody else can match in the industry, is really good for both worlds. A local expert backed by a global company. I mean, I think when you look at what's going on in the marketplace, once again, it's geared toward the customer experience, even the distributor experience. We want to provide best in class products, best in class service, things like that. They're really, once again, geared toward the customer experience.
What are some specific advantages to the laundromat owner under this emerging trend of manufacturers owning distributorships? Any specific advantages to the store operator?
I think so. I think they have access to a global leader like Alliance. We just recently had a store owner event where we actually had people into our facility and really had open discussions. So I think it allows them to get closer to the manufacturer and have a little bit more input and dialogue with us as we're trying to get better also, but we want to hear what the store owners have to say and how they see the industry, and make sure we're in line with what they need to be successful.